Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn about how to prevent the Keypress event. The Keypress event is triggered when a user presses a key on their keyboard. This event can be used to do things like restrict the input that a user can enter or to show an error message if the user enters an invalid character. To prevent the Keypress event, you can use the prevent default method. This method is called on the event object that is passed to the event listener function. The following code shows how to prevent the Keypress event from being triggered when a user presses a letter key on the name input field. In this code, the allowed character's regular expression is used to check if the key that the user pressed is a letter. If the key is not a letter, the prevent default method is called to prevent the Keypress event from being triggered. The prevent default method can also be used to prevent the default action of an event. For example, the default action of the Keypress event is to insert the character that the user pressed into the input field. By calling the prevent default method, you can prevent this from happening. The following code shows how to prevent the default action of the Keypress event from being triggered when a user presses the Enter key on the age input field. In this code, the event.key property is used to check if the key that the user pressed is the Enter key. If the key is the Enter key, the prevent default method is called to prevent the default action of the Keypress event from being triggered. Thanks for watching! In this video, we learned how to use the Keypress event to restrict the input that a user can enter and to show an error message if the user enters an invalid character. Links to example files and reference code are included in the description. Get more tutorials by subscribing.